Good afternoon, everybody. Today I'm reviewing. Welcome to Review Homes. Today I'm doing a review on SADES K7 mechanical keyboard. Mechanical keyboards are very good. I love the way they sound, plus the functions, the functionalities that comes with it. They're impeccable good. SADES, they do very good keyboards. I used to have one of them, but I gave it away. But this one, this is the updated one. At the back of the box, the keyboard layout, functions and specification of the keyboard, the K9, the SADES logo is written in front. Now let's open it up. Nice cushioned protected box. Now this plastic cover came with it. It's to protect the keys. Now there's a white version. I bought the gold background with the black keyboards. Now this is the, what's in there? Anything? No. Now this is the cable, braided. Is it braided? Anyway, we'll talk about that later. Now, this is the keyboard. This is the user manual and the key cap remover. Very important. Now, very heavy and solid. At the bottom, sorry about that. At the bottom, we have the elevation levels, which is also rubberized, preventing it from slipping. Another rubber here at the bottom, preventing it from slipping. That's very good. The bottom is plastic, solid plastic, and you can weave the cable around the holes here. Good. I must say I've already used the keyboard. This is not actually a full unboxing, but I couldn't wait. I just couldn't wait. I had to use it. I was so excited. Now, talking about the cable, this is strange. It is braided but covered with a coating of plastic, or no, sorry, not plastic, rubber. Oh, I guess this is for extra protection. Good. Now let's open it because we'll be connecting. Nice. Yes, it is a coating of rubber here, which will protect it much for longer. As I said, it's quite heavy. Let's elevate the height, and we will be talking about the lights in a minute. Now, as we see, the keys are floating keys, which is synonymous with mechanical keyboards. Now let me connect it. Oh, sorry. Now, let me connect it to my laptop so that we'll see how it works. Let me switch off the wow. Can you see how the keyboard lit up? Let's do that again. Can you see that? This is great. This is fabulous. This is quite cool. Oh my god. It looks like a very glamorous signboard. Now, It comes in white. The keys and the background comes in white as well, as I said earlier. But I prefer this one. The keys are nice and smooth, very handy. Comes with extra functions on the keys here, which are the multimedia ones. It's not full. It's not an RGB keyboard, so that's a first with SADES. So it has two colors injection, well, which is molded into the keys, ergonomically carved with the keypads to fit your fingers, which is quite good. It's nice and comfortable. I like the way the SADES logo and the SADES sign light up here. Now, if you want to change the background light, you press the, I think it's F9, yeah. It's F9, is it? Let's look at it again. Yeah. The LEDs, as I said, it's a rainbow pattern but not RGB. And also one thing about gamers is when they're playing games, they're always careful not to hit the Windows keys. Very, very careful not to hit the Windows keys, because when they hit the Windows keys, it actually disrupts the game on the monitor. You can even switch the game off totally, which will kill their whatever game they're playing. But one thing the keyboard is so good is you can actually lock the Windows key, which is quite good, so you don't have to be careful if you're gonna hit the Windows key or not. Thumbs up, say it. That's quite clever, very important as well. Now I like the way the which one is it again? WASD escape and the arrows key, that function, there's a function that makes it lit up, yeah. And if you want to change the function key, sorry, if you want to change the lights, press FN and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 7. It will make it light up in so many ways. If you look at the SADES logo and the key, the SADES logo and the SADES sign, I love it. I love the way it lights up. So that's 7, that's 8, 9 switches it off, 0 does nothing. So, and also FN and ins, look at that, look at that, look at that. This is just cool. This is just cool. I think this one has 3 modes: on, flashing and off. Yeah. The rubber grips is really nice, stops it from sliding, and the stands makes it elevate, which is also rubberized. Now, the main reason you might want to buy this keyboard is because of the mechanical key switches. Mechanical keyboards are one of the best, and also I like the gold color. I love the cold background, which is metal cast. The click is a really nice feel. It's really good. Keyboard is very good for gaming. Very nice respond when you're using it. It is a high quality product. The keyboard feels very nice. Feels like a very high quality product, which it is basically. Now the keyboard is about 40. I think it's about what's the price? Let me check. Give you an accurate price. I think it's $45.99, which is very good for a mechanical keyboard with all these functions, which is very good. Get one of these. If you like my video, please subscribe. Thumbs up at the bottom of it. I've also got other videos on my review channel. Please subscribe to my channel. You can leave a message. You can leave a comment if you want. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the Amazon link of the seller at the bottom of the video. So if you're interested in buying Gaming World, click at the bottom of the video. The seller is Gaming World. So check out the price and the keyboard on Amazon just by clicking the link at the bottom of the video. Thank you very much, everybody, for watching my video. Please come back because I've got more videos to post, more reviews to do. Bang.